how to add clock widget to Notion. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to have a clock widget such as this one over here onto your Notion project. So it's actually very simple. You're going to be visiting a platform or a website called Widgetbox. Over here, simply type widgetbox.app onto your URL, and this is what you're going to see, Widgetbox over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to easily create an account first. There's a sign up button available on the top right when you first visit Widgetbox. And now over here on the left side, you can see all kinds of widgets that you could actually add onto your Notion. Simply select clocks and choose the clock widget that you prefer. So let's say digital clock over here. There are different styles, different appearance of digital clocks over here. You can click on plus, customize, and embed. This will allow you to customize the text color, the corners over here, the background color, the clock type, as you can see. You can even change it or view what it would look like on dark mode. After this, simply click on copy, embed URL, and go over here onto your Notion page. Simply paste your code over here or your URL and click on embed, and it will automatically identify and add that widget onto your Notion page. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.